It's been a long time that I haven't done a Doja Cat makeup tutorial. I used to do all her looks on here and y'all really love it. And she came out with this beautiful music video with SZA, Kiss Me More, Kiss Me More. Let me know if you guys want me to recreate more than one look from this music video, because I'm feeling at least 3 different looks. The look that we're gonna be doing is the one that I have on my thumbnail, and we're just gonna start with the makeup tutorial. So I'm already prepped and primed, and after I prep my skin with my skincare, I'll leave all the details below. I set my face with this iconic London Prep Set Glow. This is like spraying glitter on your face, but once it settles in, it's really pretty. Today's foundation is Rare Beauty. I have 2 shades here. I got this when I was a little bit darker. At work, I got the shade 370N, so hopefully this is my exact shade. Let's see. Oh no, it's too light. Oh my god, I forgot to shake these. I'm gonna shake these up, mix them together on my hand because I don't really like to do that dot method. Today I'm using my Sephora 64 diffuser brush. I'm guessing everyone that's watching this have seen the video. What do you guys think about it? I think it's so cute. The concept is funny. They're like sexy aliens. The dude is an astronaut exploring another planet, and then he bumps into sexy ass Doja Cat. He's like, holy shit, who is this sexy ass pink bitch? And then he sees this other blue goddess, SZA. Like, oh my god, there's 2 of them? I'm gonna chill with a light layer on my face. I'm gonna move on to concealer to see how much coverage I actually need. We're highlighting with the Pat McGrath Sublime Concealer. I don't know why I'm putting on so much concealer right now. I feel like I'm slowly going back to my old ways of how I used to do makeup. I'm gonna leave this alone and just drag this all around my face because this is way too much concealer. I just wilded out. But we ain't got, yeah, so I like to let my concealer set before I blend it out, and while that dries a bit, I'm gonna take a little break. And you guys, I really want to do the look with SZA, but I want to buy like a ginger reddish wig to really pull the look together because ugh. We're gonna blend this out with a Bobbi Brown airbrush. It's not airbrush, full coverage touch up. Dipping into my Milk Flex foundation in Cocoa. I don't want her to be such a harsh contour, that's why I'm not doing any harsh lines. Brighten in the inner corners a tiny bit. I'm gonna highlight with the Estee Lauder Radiant Concealer in 1W Light. Take any flat brush with your foundation. Just carve out the contour that you did. I'm gonna add a bit more contour. I am gonna create a little harsh line because the way I just did it, it looked a little messy. With a Sigma E36 brush, we're gonna move on to highlighting, and we're using the iconic London Illuminator in Original right on the cheekbones. You know, I was using this product before with a sponge, and I feel like it just works a whole lot better with a blending brush. It looks a whole lot natural. I feel like with this product, it was giving me a bit of a cast with the sponge. It was a little bit too much. Now, moving on to blush, we're gonna use the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in Latte. And this she loves to use with her fingers, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go little by little because this is very pigmented as well. So this latte color is more of a mauve. Hers, I can tell, was a little more on the pinker side, like is closer to a true pink. I'm gonna add another color fix in Primary Red just to make it more into a bubblegum pink. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in Honey with a Real Techniques setting brush. I do want to bake a little bit before I put on the gloss. prime them. I'm using my NARS Tinted Smudge Proof eyeshadow base in medium dark. So just use something that's gonna blank out your eye. I would suggest a eye primer though, because a concealer creases, especially if you're gonna apply a gloss. You know, I want to go a little bit off topic. I know that this is a makeup tutorial, and now I just want to keep things nice and sweet. If I'm gonna do a get ready with me, that's what I'm gonna be talking my shit and everything. But I'm specifically doing a look. The other day I was at work and someone gave me a very beautiful compliment. They told me, you are way too talented. You are way too talented to be here. You should be doing bigger and greater things. You just have to believe in yourself. And I feel like lately that has been an issue with me. I haven't been believing in myself at all. I don't know what happened. I feel like all the practices that I was doing with manifestation, being positive, you know, just moving forward and letting go of any past experiences that I have been through that have caused me trauma, or any decisions that I have made in the past that I regretted that still lingers around. And I put a blame on that when it comes to my current life, and that's something that I shouldn't do. I should just move forward and do exactly the things that I was doing in the past when I did see change in my life, when I did see growth. I really needed to hear that. It really meant a lot to me. From someone that I don't really see that much. Not just a friend, like a real friend, or not just a family member, because you know your friends and your family members are gonna or your loved ones are just gonna tell you what you want to hear. Like, yeah, they're gonna tell you the truth, but sometimes you need to hear from someone that you barely talk to, that you haven't seen in a while, to someone that actually is outside of your bubble but still acknowledges your talent and knows how good you are. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is, you guys keep watching my videos so I can do this full time. I want to do this full time. I want to freelance full time. I want to do my lashes full time. My website is coming soon. It's almost done. I want to do all of these things full time. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me and support me. I don't want to clock in anymore. It's driving me crazy. Kind of want to spruce it up a little bit, if you guys don't mind. All right, you guys, close up. I'm gonna go in with my Hindash palette. Oh, if you guys haven't seen my makeup tutorial and review on this beautiful ombre palette, please do. I'm just gonna dust tan all over my lid because this is my exact skin tones, and that's how Doja's look. It doesn't look like she has a color, it just looks like her skin tone. And I don't want to leave it with just the NARS primer. I want it to just have more coverage. You see the difference? Like, it looks so much smoother and it pops a whole lot more. I want to put a tiny bit of like glitter. So I'm gonna use another color fix from Danessa Myricks in Gold Mine. And put just a tiny bit, just to give me like just a wash of glitter. See, like that. Now we're gonna do the graphic liner. We're gonna use Lift, another color fix. I did a video on these too. I swatch all the colors that I have. I try my best. Suck at swatches. I really hope I don't fuck this shit up. I'm gonna be so mad. Okay. I'm fucking up. I am fucking up. No, I'm not. I could just clean this up. Ooh, this is sexy. All right, let me take hurry the fuck up before it dries, Delilah. Oh, it dried down already. Fuck. Damn, I was using the wrong brush all along. Fuck, no wonder. I'm like, why is this line coming out so thick? It's like the perfect size though. I'm going in with a thinner brush just to get it detailed. So these little thin paint brushes I'm using, the little thing is, I forgot the name. Oh, right here, let me see. Glisten Cosmetics. This one's in number 3. It doesn't match. I'll make it match, bitch. Since I don't have a dotting tool, I'm gonna use the back of a brush, dip into lift. Oh, is that a hair? So she has a dot right here and right there. It looks like she's wearing not black liner, but it looks like she rimmed her waterline and tight line with a brown liner. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lasting Drama in Glazed Toffee. That should drive me crazy. Don't fuck up your makeup, don't fuck up your makeup, don't fuck up your makeup. I wanna do these from Lily Lash's X Sephora collection in Beverly Drive. Oh, I don't have to show you guys this. I have a eyelash tutorial on my IGTV, so if you're not following me, please do, and I'll come back with the lashes. I'm looking like I'm going to Coachella. Now we're gonna do the gloss on the lid. So I'm gonna use a Sephora 15 brush. The gloss I'm using is another Color Fix in clear. Just gonna put this on the lid. I'm gonna go with my Scott Barnes blush palette. I can't just pick one blush. So I'm gonna put Strike a Rose, Sweet Cheeks. Yeah, Strike a Rose and Sweet Cheeks. Just to enhance the blush a little bit more. For the lips, it just looks like she has a wash of... Damn! I just broke my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. Oh my god. I'm so sad right now. Alright, let's look at the... Oh my god. We're gonna use Benefit's Benetint, because she has just like a wash of a pink color. So I'm gonna use this as my base. You know, this was used back in the day to tint the color of your nipples to make them more red. I tried it. It works. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this latte color. I just want to put a little bit of liner. Can I put a little bit of liner? Can I put a little bit of liner? Much better. I kind of feel like I want to dab this a little bit with foundation for some reason. I don't know why. Like, I don't want it to be so pink because I don't know. This is the finished look. Do you guys like it? If you guys want to see my slow-mos, keep on watching.